Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is set a PIN code, and what that will do is prevent tampering with calibration data. If you're worried about another driver coming up and messing with your stuff while you're sitting in the parking lot, or you have a fleet and you want to protect the fleet trailers from the drivers adjusting them. So what you can do is we'll have the gauge off, hold down cal high and cal low together, and press power. And what that's going to do is it's going to say code. Okay, and we say, yes, we want to enter a code, so we'll push enter. And then here we've got 5 zeros, and these buttons have a little 1, 2, 3, 4 on them. And so you can set a code. We'll say it's 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then hit enter to save that, and it'll say locked. All right, and then anytime, turn the gauge off, anytime we want to adjust calibration, so if we say, oh, let's redo our cal high, it's going to say code. It's going to ask you for that code. So we'll enter in a code, hit, and then it lets us into cal high mode. All right, now if we'll go ahead and exit cal high. Now if we had put in the wrong code, so we'll do cal high and we'll say 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. It says bad, and it goes back to regular weighing mode.